हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल।
हेलो।
आज हम लोग आप लोगों को हमारे वेडिंग फोटोज दिखाने वाले हैं बिकॉज इट्स सून गोइंग टू बी आवर सेकेंड वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी। तो हमने सोचा कि आप लोगों के साथ थोड़े पिक्चर्स शेयर करें। एंड वैसे तो 3,000 से ज़्यादा फोटोज थे
बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स है।
बट हमने उसको 15 तक लेके आए हैं। सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक सम 15 शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फोटोज। सो शुड वी
मैंने
बिगिन?
मैंने अभी तक फोटोज नहीं देखे, शॉर्ट लिस्ट
हाँ,
इसने
मैंने
की
ही
है।
की है।
सो मेरे लिए तो अभी फर्स्ट टाइम मैं देखूंगा, फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं देखूंगा, मतलब मैं ये देखूंगा कि ये कौन कौन से फोटो सिलेक्ट किया है इसने।
Yeah.
ठीक है, सो हियर इज आवर फर्स्ट पिक्चर।
Wow. It begins with हल्दी and हमारी हल्दी अलग अलग हुई थी. So Saurabh, what do you have to say of this picture?
इट वाज सरप्राइज टू सी द वे दे हैव लिफ्टेड मी एंड एक्चुअली मितेश, ही
जो
इज माय
नीचे है,
कजन,
हाँ,
जो
जो who's
सबसे नीचे
carrying
है।
him.
वो एक्चुअली वो सिर्फ फोटो फोटो में आने के लिए जगह नहीं थी, सो ही इज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस।
But वो काफी अच्छा हुआ
एक्चुअली
है.
लिफ्ट किया है पीछे वालों ने, जो सब पीछे खड़े हैं।
But it's a very fun हल्दी kind of picture.
या,
बहुत अच्छा है ये.
इट वाज वेरी नाइस, इट वाज फन। आई वाज स्कैर्ड दैट मैं वो हल्दी के चक्कर में स्लीप होके गिर ना जाऊं।
Oh my God.
सो ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर नेक्स्ट।
Oh, so this is my हल्दी
नो नो,
picture.
वेट वेट वेट।
हाँ.
In this picture, मैं actually I was wearing white kurta, but the way
Yes.
they started putting haldi on me, they just took off my shirt.
वो सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग में नाम के लिए शायद तूने पहना था
नाम के
क्योंकि
लिए पहना था और पहना भी था हल्दी के लिए, so that everyone else were wearing yellow kurta
एंड यू वर
और
वेयरिंग
मैं
व्हाइट.
white पहना था।
और स्टार्टिंग में पूजा भी होती है राइट, तो
हाँ,
उसके
वो
लिए
सब
भी
होने के बाद जब इन्होंने हल्दी जब
अटैक.
अटैक किया मेरे ऊपर, ठीक है, तब तब आई हैड टू, आई डिड नॉट डू इट बाय माई सेल्फ, पर उन्होंने निकाल दिया मेरा टी शर्ट,
हाँ.
मेरा शर्ट कुर्ता पूरा, बट इट वाज फन।
ओके, पिक्चर नंबर 2. सो दिस वाज माय हल्दी पिक्चर. इट वाज क्वाइट लेट एक्चुअली जब तक हमारा सब सेरेमनी हुआ था. बट
तेरा
आई
वेडिंग हॉल में ही हुआ था ना?
मेरा वेडिंग हॉल में ही हुआ था
हम्म।
एंड इट वाज जस्ट बस दिस, मतलब इट वाज इन द एंड एंड वी वर जस्ट वेटिंग के लाइक सब मिले एक साथ क्योंकि काफी लोग बहुत लेट भी आए थे मतलब. तो बस दिस इज जस्ट वन नाइस फैमिली पिक्चर. इसमें भी 2 लोग मिसिंग है क्योंकि वो मेरा जो कजिन भाई है वो कहाँ गुम हो गया था तो उसकी मम्मी उसके पीछे गई थी. बट या इट वाज वेरी fun and cute kind of haldi with like limited number of people.
और वेडिंग हॉल में ही इनका अलग से सेटअप किया था हल्दी के लिए।
Yeah, it was very nice.
या
Oh God, so this is the Sangeet picture.
वो फोटोग्राफर चाहता था कि मैं इसको हंसाऊं या फिर मैं
नहीं,
हम दोनों हंसे।
हाँ और नहीं वो एक बहुत क्या बोलते हैं उसे, फनी नॉट फनी सा, ही वाज आस्किंग अस टू पोज बट इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू पोज, तो ये हो गया था उसमें एंड दिस इज लाइक अ कैंडिड
And I
पिक्चर.
think I kind of tickled you in between
No,
for some other
that is
picture, I
later.
guess.
That is later. And we can actually put the pose wala picture also. We can pop it up so that
Yeah.
you can see what was actually supposed to happen. But उसको बहुत time लग रहा था पर वो हो नहीं रहा था. So this is like one.
उस चक्कर में इसका मुंह भी चिप गया।
Okay, next. Oh, what do you have to say of this?
ये trying to give the celebrity pose.
No, this ये पिक्चर का पूरा पॉइंट ये था कि आई हैड डन अ DIY फॉर दो स्नीकर्स और मैंने उसका वीडियो भी किया था बिफोर, पर आफ्टर मैंने किया ही नहीं, तो मुझे एटलीस्ट पिक्चर लेना था. तो हाँ वो
तो ऐसे ऐसे शूज दिखाने के
शूज.
लिए।
तो ये फोटो था शूज दिखाने के लिए. बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक
I think it's nice.
एंड व्हाट डू
It's
यू थिंक ऑफ द शूज?
shoes are nice too, but the thing that I did not like about this picture is that one rod kind of thing that is popping
या
up
यू
in
नो मैंने
between.
बाकी सारे फोटोज में से ये सिलेक्ट किया है क्योंकि इसमें ही सबसे मिनिमल विजिबल है वो.
हाँ,
तो फोटोज काफी अच्छे थे बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई दैट pole was visible.
Yeah, but that's okay. It's a
Yeah,
nice
and
picture.
also my outfit was also from like a outfit from scratch. So yeah, it was like a very special outfit for me.
Hmm.
Next. Oh ho, मेरा देसी boy.
कौन सा देसी बॉय?
You
एक
had
एक
danced on
डा
that song.
एक तो मुझे डांस नहीं आता,
हाँ, मैं यही बोलने वाली
ऊपर
थी.
से
ऊपर से इसने बहुत अच्छा डांस किया था.
डांस नहीं किया मैंने, मैं सिर्फ ऐसे ऐसे हिल रहा था बस।
नहीं नहीं, you surprised me.
ओह, और मुझे एक्चुअली ये सिर्फ एक दिन पहले मैंने डांस सीखा था, क्योंकि मैं आया ही था एक वीक पहले
हाँ भाई,
शादी
क्या
के लिए
बोलते हैं,
स्वीडन।
मिस्टर सिर्फ एक वीक पहले आया था शादी के पहले.
हाँ,
And literally 1 week before, I'm not even kidding. He had come on Friday
मुझे
and
सिर्फ
next
आउटफिट
Friday.
सेट करना था, बाकी सब मेरे हाथ में नहीं था।
हाँ, और इसने वो 5 दिन में किया है.
मेरे सब कजन्स, अंकल्स, मतलब काका और मॉम डैड, वो सब लोगों ने यही मेरे लिए सब रेडी करके रखा था।
और इसकी बहन और जीजू इवेंट प्लानिंग में है इन बेलगाम. सो दे हैड मैनेज्ड एवरीथिंग एंड दिस ब्यूटीफुल डेकोर फ्रॉम द वेडिंग. ऑल द सेटअप्स, मतलब जो संगीत का था, जो हल्दी का था, सारा उन्होंने ही किया था.
We'll put the link of their Instagram page.
Yeah, you can contact them
You can
also.
contact them.
And yes, about this, let me
About
complete.
what?
About this picture.
हो गया ना अभी।
नहीं, it was very nice and I liked your outfit also. You're looking very dashing.
आउटफिट मुझे दोपहर को मिला और शाम
हाँ.
को मैं पहना हूँ ये आउटफिट।
Yes. Okay, next.
मैंने भी ऐसे ऐसे किया दो बार।
Oh, the game. Guess who won this game?
Of course it's me.
No, I won the game. No,
There
actually
was
we.
no
Oh yeah.
win.
Sorry.
हाँ,
मतलब all the right answers were me, but yeah, we both answered it correctly. ये बोलना चाहती
हाँ,
थी
इसीलिए दोनों तरफ तेरे जूते ऊपर
मैं.
है।
हाँ. But yeah, it was nice. Cute little game we played before the Sangeet began.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was fun. Oh, this picture.
ये एक्चुअली
तुझे explain करना
एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बना के लिया इसने मेरे से बिफोर एंटरिंग द वेडिंग हॉल। वो मुझे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करना ही था,
Yes.
पर उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, जैसे शॉपिंग का था, ट्रैवलिंग का था, और डेट्स पर लेकर जाने के लिए कुछ था, और उसमें ये भी लिखा था कि सी फूड के लिए फोर्स नहीं करूँगा, जो मैंने काटा, एंड देन आई साइन। सो आई डिड नॉट एग्री विद दैट वन, क्या कहते हैं उसको,
One condition.
One
So if
condition.
you've seen our previous vlog, he's a Goan. He eats lots of fish, and I don't eat fish. तो मेरा ये था.
You were also supposed to eat fish because you are from Mumbai.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Everyone eats. I don't eat. So that's what I'm saying. I
And
don't
your
eat.
background is from Konkan.
Yeah, where again I'm supposed to eat fish, but I don't. तो इसीलिए मैंने वो point भी डाला था. And what was happening there? Can you tell little? Do you remember?
I don't really remember, but I know that they
Who
said
are they? Tell they.
they means these cousins.
हाँ, मेरे cousins.
Your cousins. They were just saying sign whatever it is, and I have to agree with everything. And I was saying that I will not agree with the column where the fish thing. That condition I was not accepting.
तो उसने सिर्फ strike करके sign
मैंने
कर
सीधा
दिया.
strike किया और मैंने sign किया है. So I did a good job with that.
And you are also fulfilling the conditions. Good job.
But you are not.
You
You
had
are not
put
eating-
any conditions.
I had put that condition before we got married, that
No.
you will eat fish, and you promised me you will
I
eat.
said I will try, which
Try
I did, but I
is-
couldn't.
No.
Okay. Next.
हाँ, no.
Oh, my most favorite picture.
Yeah, this picture is very nice.
It is like a very candid, natural, happy
I don't know
picture.
what joke Didi cracked here.
Yeah, even I don't know. So this is like a ritual जहाँ पे I think it's there in most of the
Their sister
tradition.
ties the knot of dupatta, and
Yeah, मतलब
before वो फेरे लेने वाले पहले की रस्म जो भी
yeah,
होती
so
है.
that's his sister whom we mentioned जो events में है. तो yeah, it's her and it is like my top 5 pictures way from the wedding.
Yeah.
It's
very
very
nice
nice picture. Okay, next.
Hmm.
But you didn't say anything of the picture.
What should I say?
You should also say something.
I said na. I don't know what.
Joke.
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, next. Wow. What do you have to say of this picture?
This was bit weird, and this was just like उनको बदला लेना था. ये
No,
ये
बदला
यहाँ
नहीं.
पर सिर्फ जो इसका मामा है,
नहीं भाई.
भाई है, सॉरी, जो भाई है वो क्या कहते हैं, कान
So
ट्विस्ट करते हैं ना जो.
the bride's brother twists the ear. मतलब
हाँ.
लड़के का ear twist करता है कि like
Just to say that
take care of
take
her.
care of her, and if you trouble her then he is still there
Yeah,
to
but
to
of
hold my ears.
course, so ये उसने भी किया था.
उसने किया,
And
पर
उसके बाद
ये सब इसके कजन्स आ गए फिर मेरा
Yeah.
कान pकड़ने के लिए.
हाँ, because like I had told them that I wanted like my sisters to be there because these four are like they've always been there. So yeah, it was like very emotional for me. So I wanted चारों. I mean, I wanted them.
तेरा मुंह देख के लग रहा है इमोशनल है, तू मजे ले रही है
मैं
वहां
मजे
पर.
ले रही थी, but like it was like yeah, I wanted four of them. So yeah, next.
और वो जो पीछे व्हाइट शर्ट में, he is actually her brother who
Who had
who
already
did it all.
done it,
Yeah.
but yeah,
This is a nice picture.
yeah. What do you have to say of it?
Nothing, it took very long time to go 7 rounds.
Shut up. Yeah,
कितनी
ये
धीरे धीरे चल रही थी.
शट अप. हम लोग फास्ट चले थे, उन्होंने हमें एक्चुअली धीरे चलो. बट द पंडित वाज वेरी नाइस. वो क्या कर रहे थे, वो हमें सारे रिचुअल्स करने के बाद फिर बोल रहे थे कि अभी फिर से वो एक्टिंग करो सो दैट ही कैन टेक द फोटो.
Yeah, he did not let photographers disturb his rituals.
या तो सारे रिचुअल्स होने के बाद एक रिचुअल्स होने के बाद ओके अभी आप ये वाला एक्शन करो, वो फोटो ले सकते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब हमने 7 से ज्यादा फेरे ले लिए.
नहीं फेरे हमने नहीं लिए 7 से ज्यादा.
Okay.
But yeah, very nice picture and like the way how we are like looking at each other. Very
Yeah.
nice. Do you remember this picture?
I know. This was when one of our friend walked in our wedding hall and he waved at us.
Yeah.
And we both saw Rakshit. And then we saw him and we just waved our hands.
Yeah.
So that's when this picture was clicked.
But
very smart photographer. Huh? He clicked this picture.
It's a very nice picture. Rakshit, we were very happy to see you.
Yeah. And with him,
was our other friends also.
Jagrut was there.
Jagrut was there. Smita auntie was there, and lot
and
other
Shruti's
friends.
mom was also sitting
And
somewhere
Smriti.
nearby.
Yeah. So our group was there,
Yeah.
and yeah,
That was
very nice picture. Oh, this is my favorite picture. One of the top 5 favorite pictures. What do you think?
Yeah, it was nice, but my face is not visible.
Yeah, the point of this photo was that my shawl should be visible.
Not my face. See, she's very cunning, very mean.
I'm not cunning. But yeah, it's a very nice picture. What do you think? Tell.
Yeah, it's a nice picture. Forget about picture. It's a nice shawl that is visible. Happy?
Fine.
Haan.
Fine. But
And we took this picture after all the rituals were done.
yeah, when we had very, very little time to take pictures.
Yeah, but it was nice.
Next, and this picture.
Okay.
This is picture number 13.
Yeah. So about this picture, what to say? We were waiting for our lunch. Okay, and everyone, सबको यही चाहिए था कि मैं इसको पहले कुछ मीठा खिलाऊं.
But we are fitness freaks, like we mentioned in the previous vlog.
That is secondary. The thing is, photographer was waiting, but our sweet dish was not coming. So I started with carrot.
So he started off on a healthy note.
So I started with carrot.
Carrot, cucumber. So yeah, so it was like basically warning for me कि this is what it is going to be.
But it's not going like that.
But it is going like that. You can't say that. It is more.
But now it's going like that. After wedding, we
Not
started with
immediately,
all
yes.
unhealthy stuff.
Yeah, for the first 2-3 months were like crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, now we have started.
Next.
Oh, this is.
I know why you wanted this picture. This picture.
क्यों?
ये सिर्फ वो जो हैशटैग लिखा है ना.
Our hashtag was pool date to
Soulmate.
soulmate because we met at a swimming pool. So yeah,
तो इसने एम्ब्रॉयडरी करके वो लिखा था अपने
on my dupatta,
दुपट्टा
on the veil
दुपट्टा
wala
पे,
dupatta.
और उस हैशटैग के लिए उसको ये पिक्चर चाहिए था, ठीक
True.
है, एंड बस इस पिक्चर के लिए उसने वो लिख के लिया था.
True, I agree. What is wrong in that?
Nothing is wrong.
Yeah.
Nothing is wrong.
So
I'm just thinking the level of preparation that you had done.
because I had that much time ना, तू एक week पहले आया था.
I agree.
But yeah, I like it.
Next.
This is the picture where he was tickling me because again we were asked to give a pose. We can actually pop up that image also, and he started tickling me. You remember?
Nice. Yeah, I remember. I remember everything. Don't worry.
But what do you have to say?
And you were worried about mosquitoes biting you.
Yeah, there were so many. It was like, of course, it
इसके
is
थोड़े
July.
फोटोज में ना मॉस्किटो बाइट्स भी आए हैं
You
स्किन पे.
don't have to tell that. Yeah, actually, because वो garden में था and it was monsoon season, so there were a lot of mosquitoes. बहुत मच्छर थे वहाँ पे. But yeah, this is nice picture.
Next. Okay, that's it for now.
No, we have one more. No. Yes.
I don't see.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
It's 15. Okay, so these were all our wedding. Not all, just
15
shortlisted pictures, and I still have memories that I remember like it has happened just yesterday.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, pictures are nice. Our wedding was nice, and we can have few more pictures if the audience is
Yeah, at
wanting
the
to see
end we
more
can
pictures.
we can add one more few
Yeah.
more pictures in the end. So
Yeah,
if
or
you,
we can make another video with
Yes,
more pictures,
more
so
pictures.
that they understand the background of the pictures.
Yeah.
Hmm?
So that's it for the video, guys.
That's it.
That's it. What
Okay.
else?
So that's it for the video, and please comment on what you think about our pictures, and
also
if
let
you
us
have
know.
any questions regarding our picture or wedding or about us, then let us know in the comment. Also subscribe, like, share. Okay.
And press the bell icon.
Yes.
And also let us know in the comments which was your favorite picture
Out of this.
out of
Okay.
these. Yeah.
Yeah. Please let us know.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Bye-bye.
watching.